Welcome to Lighting Controls 101. In this lesson, we'll cover the basics of light switches, their functions, and the different ways we can see switches used on job sites. You'll learn how switches work in a circuit, when to use them, and how they're wired. Let's begin by defining what a light switch is. A light switch is a device that controls the flow of electricity to a lighting load, such as a bulb or fixture. By opening or closing the circuit, a switch either stops or allows current to flow. This simple mechanism provides the ability to turn lights on and off conveniently. The single-pole toggle switch is the most common light switch. It has two positions, on and off, controlling one light or set of lights from a single location. The single-pole toggle switch works by opening or closing the circuit. When the switch is on, the circuit is closed and electricity flows to the light. When off, the circuit is broken, stopping the flow of electricity. The current flows on the hot live wire throughout the switch, through the light fixture, and returns back to the power source on the neutral cable, also known as the grounded conductor or return cable. Use a single-pole toggle switch when you need to control a light or a set of lights from a single location, such as in a bedroom or small office. A three-way switch setup allows you to control one light or group of lights from two different locations. It uses two switches connected by traveler wires and allows for multi-location light control. In a three-way switch setup, the traveler wires create two possible pathways for electricity to flow to the light. Flipping either of the three-way switches will change the circuit's pathway, resulting in the light fixture or load being turned on or off. Three-way switches are ideal for controlling lights from two locations, such as at the top and bottom of a staircase, at opposite ends of a long hallway, and at multiple entrances into large rooms. A four-way switch setup allows you to control one light from three or more locations. It includes two three-way switches and one or more four-way switches in between. A four-way switch redirects the current between two traveler wires. Combined with two three-way switches, it creates multiple control points for the same light. When the switches are toggled, they will open and close the circuits from each location to allow the flow of electricity, giving you multi-location control. Four-way switches are useful in large spaces with multiple entry points, such as conference rooms, open-plan living areas, or long corridors. In this lesson, we've covered single-pole, three-way, and four-way switch setups. You've learned how each switch works, when to use them, and how to wire them. Stay tuned for more advanced lighting controls in future lessons.